Hello everybody. Now we shall learn how to implement modal navigation. Modal navigation allows you to present screens that temporarily block block interactions with the rest of the application until the modal is dismissed. This is commonly used for alerts, forms, or other focused tasks. In this tutorial, you will learn how to implement modal navigation in React Native app using Expo and React Navigation. Number 1. Set up a new React Native project with Expo. If you haven't already set up an Expo project, you can create one using the following command: npx create expo app modal navigation example. Then you may use double dash template blank, then cd modal navigation example or the name of your project directory. Then install React Navigation. Install the necessary dependencies for React Navigation. npm install at React Navigation /native at React Navigation /native stack. Next, install the required peer dependencies. npx expo install React Native screens, React Native safe area context. Set up the navigation structure. In your project, create a new file app.js. It is already there, so you don't need to create that app.js. You have to modify this and set up the stack navigator with modal presentation option. Import star as React from React. Import button text view from React Native. Import navigation container from at React Navigation /native. Import create native stack navigator from at React Navigation /native stack. Sorry. Const stack create native stack navigator function home screen props navigation, that is destructured, return view style within double curly braces, flex 1, align items center, justify content center, then text home screen text close. Next. Then button title open modal. On press navigation dot navigate my modal button tag close, then view tag close, finally first bracket close and second bracket close. Function detail screen, return view style within double curly braces flex 1, align items, center, justify content, center, text, detail screen, text, close. Then view is close, then first bracket close and second bracket close. Then function modal screen, and here is navigation, that is destructured from props, return, view style, flex 1, align items center, justify content center, text style, font size 24, this is modal, button title, close modal, on press, navigation dot go back. This is important, on press, arrow function, navigation dot go back. Then view is closed, then export default app, finally return navigation container, stack navigator, open, stack screen, name home, component home screen, stack screen name, details, component details screen, stack screen name my modal, component modal screen, options within double curly braces, presentation modal. This is important. This line enables modal presentation. So this option is important. This stack screen name my modal, component modal screen, and how to open it, that is presentation modal. Then stack navigator is closed, then navigation container is closed, then first bracket is closed, then second bracket is closed. Okay, this line is important. This line is the main thing of this program. Create the screens. Number 4. Create simple components for the home screen and modal screen. Home screen.js, import React from React, import view, text, button from React Native, export default function home screen, then get the props, get the navigation out of props, that is destructuring, return view style within double curly braces, flex 1, align item center, justify content center. Then text, home screen, text close, button, title open modal, on press, navigation dot navigate my modal. Close, this is close, then view is closed. Modal screen. Modal, React from React, import view, text, button from React Native, export default function from modal screen. Now we get navigation from props, then return view style, flex is equal to 1, align item center, justify content center, then font size 24, this is modal, text close, then button title, close modal, on press, navigation go back. This is also important. Slash view, so view is closed, first bracket close, second bracket close. Customize the modal presentation. You can customize the modal's appearance using various options provided by React Navigation. For example, you can set the animation, screen options, or even style the modal differently. stack.screen, name my modal, component modal screen, options presentation modal, header shown false, hide the header for a cleaner modal. This is also important, these two, presentation modal and header shown is false. Animation type for replace push, custom animation for replacing screens. This will beautify your project. Then double curly brace close, then angular bracket is closed, that is stack screen. Text the application, run the application, npx expo start, navigate to the home screen and press open modal button. The modal screen will slide up from the bottom of the screen, and pressing the close modal button will slide it back down, returning you to the home screen. Conclusion: in this tutorial, you are learned how to implement modal navigation in a React Native app using Expo and React Navigation. Modals are useful for temporary blocking interactions with the rest of the app. While a user performs a specific task, and React Navigation makes it easy to implement this pattern with a variety of customization options. This is for now. Thank you.